quite a few clouds over the Atlantic and over the British Isles. And I have to say that picture isn't going to change vastly because our air is coming up from the southwest, which is why it feels, I have to say, mild or even quite warm. It's certainly humid, hence the amount of cloud. On the whole, it is dry, not bone dry, admittedly, but relatively dry. Just a mist and murk maybe over the Pennines, but look at the temperatures. Even without the sunshine, you can easily get 18 or 19 degrees. Imagine an hour or two in the sun, we're easily up into the low 20s. Now, the best sunshine has got to be in the shelter of the hills, so eastern Scotland, as you just saw, some parts of Northern Ireland, and the breeze, the southwest, is not as strong as it was yesterday. Now we're coming to the bit where the cloud is thick enough and low enough to give fog around Plymouth, for example, murk over the moors of the southwest, and drizzle, or if you like, you can call it showers. They last for a little while, they disappear. Never really dries up greatly, though. Now, the best sunshine is always a bit further east, but I wouldn't say that London's going to get a lot, even though it could be 21 degrees Celsius. Now, between about now and the end of the day, nothing much will change, except once it gets dark, the breeze turns a bit round to the south, draws up more moisture. Overnight rain then shows itself on the eastern counties of England, maybe coming from the southwest. A very mild night again, nowhere below double figures. Late September we're talking about now, of course. Now, Friday's picture is a little different to today's. There's more chance of you seeing sunshine and more chance of getting some rain as well. In fact, it might well start wet in Cornwall and Devon. Of course, that rain in the breeze is going to move up into Wales. We're starting at 14 degrees once again. Extensive mist, though, and hill fog on the A30, for example, or the Welsh end of the M4. It doesn't look a bad start for Northern Ireland. Here, a bit of sunshine is a possibility. A scattering of showers in Scotland. With the wind direction changed, maybe the north of Aberdeenshire or Angus is better placed for sunshine. Otherwise, think mist or grey. And much like today, northeastern England should do reasonably well from sunshine, but northwestern England, quite likely, particularly in Cumbria, to be overcast and drizzly. But there will be bigger holes in the cloud tomorrow, so you start at 16 degrees and throw in a bit of sunshine, and you can imagine the temperatures will rise quite nicely. That's exactly what they will do. Starting at 9 o'clock and running through till about dusk, you'll notice the rain disappears from the east coast of England, but it reappears moving up into the Welsh Marches or the Midlands, and there'll be showers dotted around in many places. A relatively warm day in the sunshine.